During a screening of the documentary Acid Test, sponsored by the National Resources Defense Council, featuring Hollywood actress Sigourney Weaver, Democratic Congressman Steve Israel said climate change, pure oceans, and reducing carbon are national security issues.
So our intelligence analysts and our military folks tell us that environmental factors determine who we're going to be fighting, where we're going to be fighting them, whether we're going to be fighting them. And so for me, for my colleagues, climate change is a national security issue. Clean air and water is a national security issue. Reducing carbon is a national security issue. Pure oceans is a national security issue. And so the NRDC, the defense part of NRDC, the NRDC is about defense. And the best way to secure defense is to make sure you're living on a planet that is stable and secure and that provides what people need every day in their lives.
Nicholas Ballasy, CNSnews.com, The Capitol.